Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss the same topic, the road to Pakistan timeline and its event. Let's see Simon Commission reports. We'll see first the India Statutory Commission was a group of semi-British members of a parliament that had been dispatched in India 1928 to study constitutional reform in Britain most important colonial dependency. It was commonly referred to as a Simon Commission. After its chairman, Sir John Simon, one of its members was Clement Attlee, who subsequently became the British Prime Minister and eventually oversaw the granting of independence to India in 1947. At the time of introducing the Montagu Chelmsford reforms, the British government declared that commission would be sent to India after 10 years to examine the effect and operation of the constitutional reforms and to suggest more reform for India. Allama Iqbal addressed, known as the Allahabad Address, was the speech by Allama Iqbal in Allahabad, British India. Address basis in 1930, Iqbal delivered the presidential address, the Allahabad Address. Before address, Iqbal also delivered landmark lecture on Islam in 1928 and 1929, Aligarh, Hyderabad and Madras. Because Iqbal's address I plot was based on Islam importance, Iqbal's address was known to have forceful and logical presentation of the Muslim case in India. His address aroused the awareness that why should Muslims be treated as a political entity rather than a minority. Roundtable conference, if we talk about the roundtable conference of 1930 and 1932 were a series of a conference organization by the British government to discuss constitutional reforms in India. They were conducted as per recommendation by the report submitted by the Simon Commission in May 1930. Demands for a Swaraj or a self-rule in India had been growing increasingly strong by the 1930s. Many British politicians believed that the India needed to move toward dominant status. However, there were significant disagreements between the Indian and the British political parties that the conference would not resolve. Amiens Report, if we talk about the Amiens Report award, Amiens Award was made by the British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald on 4th August 1932, granting separated electorate in British India for the forward caste, lower caste, Muslim, Buddhist, Sikhs, Indian, Christian, Anglo-Indians, Europeans, and untouched, now known as the Daltis, etc. The principle of the weightage was also applied. The reason behind the reduction of this award was that Ramsay MacDonald considered himself as a friend of the Indians and thus wanted to resolve the issues in India. The communal award was announced after the failure of the second of the three roundtable conference in India. The act, if we say, the Indian prevents more independence. It allowed to establishment of an all India federation. Princely states were also invited. For the first time, direct elections were introduced. Women were also allowed to vote. Sindh was separated from Bombay, Orissa was separated from Bihar, and Burma was separated from India. The number of provinces were increased to 11 by giving NWFP the status of fully flagged province and the creating two new provinces, Orissa and Sindh. Two houses of parliament at the central government level were introduced, with the Council of State being the upper house and the Assembly being the lower house. Election in 1937, election were held in 11 provinces: Madras, Central Provinces, Bihar, Orissa, United Provinces, Bombay, Presidency, Assam, NWFE, Bengal, Punjab, and Sindh. In these elections, women were also allowed to vote, and 4.25 million women voted. The election result: the All India Muslim League won 106 seats, which was the 6.7% of total, and came at second number as a political party, and the result went to the favor of Indian National Congress. Out the total of 1585 seats, they won 707 seats, which was the 44.6%. The Jinnah Sikandar Pact, the famous Jinnah Sikandar Pact, was pact signed between the Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Sikandar Hayat Khan, Lucknow, British India, in October 1937. Background: if we talk about in 1937, All India Muslim League lost the election very badly, so the party needed some powerful leader to succeed. So M.A. Jinnah invited some powerful leader to join the party. One of them was Sikandar Hayat Khan, Prime of the Punjab, the Premier of the Punjab and head of Punjab Unionist Party. Events of Jinnah and Sikandar Act. First of all, the powerful Muslim leader refused to help Jinnah, except Aga Khan III was ready to support him. At this time, Sikandar Hayat Khan thought that it would be bad if I don't stand for right of Muslims. He thought that the time for unity, so he also convinced other big leaders to join All India Muslim League. The leader was Saadullah of Assam, Maulvi A.K. Fazul Haq of Bengal, Nawab Sir Hamidullah Khan of Bhopal state, and some other. Effect of Jinnah and Sikandar Act. Though the Jinnah Sikandar Act was one of the important documents of the Pakistan movement, and this helped lot to Muslim of India to have an independence country. And because of this pact, 3 years after this, Pakistan resolution was passed in Lahore. After 7 years of Lahore resolution, Pakistan came into being. Lahore resolution Qaraardad Lahore statement drafted between 21st and 22nd March 1940 by the 25 member committee of All India Muslim League, and then formally adopted by the Muslim League membership on 23rd March 1914, held at Lahore. Gandhi Jinnah talk. If we see the Gandhi Jinnah talk, why they talk together? Let's see. Then Gandhi Jinnah talk have a great importance with the regard to the political problem of Pakistan and India movement. The talk between them began because of the general public desire for settlement of Hindu-Muslim differences. M.A. Jinnah was invited by the Gandhi for the talk. The talks began in Mumbai in September 1944 and lasted till 24 of month. Gandhi's real purpose behind these talks was to extract from Jinnah an admission that the whole proposition of Pakistan was absurd. Partition plan, June 3rd, 1947, and the creation of Pakistan and partition of India. At midnight of 14 August, Pakistan, our dear homeland, was created and Muslim of subcontinent obtained an independent country. In India, say the obtained and the religion free state. A cut from the Muslim. This night was very special for both countries. Many Muslims were killed in the process, and they sacrificed their lives for the sake of Pakistan.